from this to this.
Hi, good day everyone. So yeah, I just wanted to really make at least a testimony kung gaano ka-effective yung hair grower na ginagamit ko ngayon. Many of you will really know, even some are always teasing me what happened to my hair, especially last year na talagang kala mo may cancer ako, kala mo nagpapakimo ako sa itsura ko, diba, na grabe talaga yung buhok, nawala talaga as in. I thought hindi na siya ma-resolve, but then I just saw it on Facebook actually. But then I really took the risk of using this, and it's just all natural. And I'm so happy that I've tried this. And so far guys, as you can see naman, with my 6 months lang, almost 4 months actually na ginamit ko to, I've seen a really good progress of my hair, kasi makikita nyo talaga na tumubo naman siya compare talaga nung last year. So I'm really so happy for this, and I just really wanted to share it to you na sana matulungan din kayo. Iba-iba ang result nito sa depende sa progress, but then ako, it takes like 4 months bago ko makita yung pinaka results na I'm so satisfied with it.